Morning guys, welcome back to the Garden Novice. This morning I'm just going to do a quick little video of showing you what I've done in pricking out my little seedlings. So I'm going to crack on with the work, prick out the seedlings, and I'll show you when I've completed those. So this week, well this month, I've had quite a busy month at home and at work. I've had to change my car because my current car NHS lease is up in a couple of months, so I need to buy a car. So I've managed to locate a nice car which I've been down to Staffordshire to pick up, so I'll show you that when I get home. And we've also had a new front door put on, so I've had quite a busy week and busy month. So anyway, let's get cracking on to the work this morning, pricking out these plants as seedlings. Right, the first I'm pricking out this morning are some pansies. These pansies are called Swiss Giant Mix. I sowed these in a little green module tray on the 3rd of February, and they've come on really well, so I'm getting them out of here before they start knotting together with the roots. I'm teasing them apart and then putting them into these deep module trays I got from Container Wise. There's 40 cells in this excuse me, this container. So I'll continue, filling this one up, and then we'll crack on with the next sowing and pricking out. Right, that's the pansies all pricked out, just in the tray of water, watering them from the bottom so they get a good soaking from the bottom up over. Got about 50 or 60 plants there, so I'm quite pleased with those. Next to be pricked out on my pricking out Tuesday morning are these mesembryanthemums. It doesn't look like they all have germinated, but I should get about 20 or 30 plants out of them, I think. I'm going to prick them out into these Charles Dowding cell trays, multi-purpose compost with a bit of vermiculite. So here we go, let's get them pricked out. Next on my list are these few mocha cherry tomatoes I got from Ali from My Rusty Garden. Sent me a little packet of seeds. They've germinated quite nicely, so I'm going to prick those out into these 7cm pots with multi-purpose compost. So let's get cracking. That's the tomato mocha cherry all pricked out. Thank you very much, Ali. Got 5 nice little plants there. All these other tomatoes are producing more leaves, which is looking good. Dr. Tony there, got them from Ali. Yes, looking very good. Right, next to go, prick out are these Brussels sprouts Red Bull. Sowed these on the 7th of March. And they more than ready for pricking out into some modules before I put them into the garden. So now I've got quite a few bedding plants. Got half a dozen snapdragon, mesembryanthemums, which we just pricked out this morning, coleus, plenty of those, some geraniums, some more pansies, some marigold tagetes, who I just sowed the other day. They haven't come up yet, and marigold French petite, which have all been picked out. So I should have a good display for home and a few around here of the bedding plants. Right everyone, I think that's me done for this morning. Done quite a bit of work, so I'm off home now. I think we're going to go out for our lunch, so maybe call it a garden centre or two on the way, fingers crossed. And I'll catch you all later. But please, if you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and try and share the channel. Try and boost my numbers up a little bit. And then I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now. Right guys, this is the car I went all the way down to Staffordshire for. BYD Sea Lion 7. Very nice car, all electric, 300-mile range, which is twice the range of my Audi that I'm about to part with. I'll show you inside as well. Look at that bad boy in there. Absolutely fabulous. Really chuffed with the drive. Lovely smooth drive as well. Anyway, that's enough of me bragging about my new car. And I said we've got a new front door as well. So there it is. Just last week, so I've had a busy week last week.